Welcome back kids, coloring crew. We're continuing our journey through the alphabet with part 3 of A to Z birds coloring, drawing, and more. N for Nighthawk. N for Nighthawk. Ready to learn. Grab your crayons. Nighthawk's got a colorful lesson just for you. O is for owl. O is for owl. Silent wings and watchful eyes. Let's color the wisdom that flies. P is for peacock. P is for peacock. Get ready to unleash your inner artist. Let's color the dazzling display of the peacock. Q is for quail. Q is for quail. Tiny but tough, the quail takes flight. Color its speckled coat. What a sight!
R is for raven. R is for raven. Smart and mysterious, the raven takes wing. Color its dark feathers, let your imagination sing. S is for sandpiper. S is for sandpiper. Quick and nimble by the shore, the sandpiper runs. Color its sandy feathers, for lots of fun. T is for tanager. T is for tanager. A flash of color in the trees so high, the tanager sings. Color its vibrant feathers that reach for the sky. U is for umbrella bird. U is for umbrella bird. With a crown like no other, the umbrella bird's a wonder. Color its fancy feathers, make it stand out from under. V is for vulture. V is for vulture. Nature's cleaner with a keen eye, the vulture soars. Color its powerful wings that reach the highest shores. W is for woodpecker. W is for woodpecker. Tap, tap, tap. The woodpecker knocks. Color its sharp beak And watch the paint chips flock. Y is for yellow hammer. Y is for yellow hammer. Golden yellow and full of cheer. The yellow hammer's here. Color its bright feathers, to banish any fear. Z is for zebra finch. Z is for zebra finch. Stripes so stylish, tee-hee zebra finch sings. Color its black and white pattern on tiny little wings. Wow! Look at those amazing birds you've colored. You're all such talented artists. Cheers to all the young bird enthusiasts out there. Don't forget to smash that like button if you enjoyed coloring with us today. See you next time for more feathered friends.